Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply get your USDT wallet address from your Binance mobile application. And this can be done by clicking on the deposit icon right here. Once you've clicked on deposit, you simply click on USDT. It's a trending coin, so it's going to be available. And now you can look at the various networks from the BNB Smart Chain network to till Tron TRC20, where you simply select any of these networks. We'll be going with the Tron. You simply copy your wallet address from here and use in whatever location you might require your USDT address. And with that, guys, we've gotten our USDT address from Binance. It's quite simple. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.